the laws. They have to follow the Marine Fishing Act and regulations. That's why I will send a right message to them to maintain the discipline while fishing this natural resources called fish.
सर दुसरें का की ट्रॉलर आतां रापोणकार आहात कारण जाले तांकां खूब नुस्तें पडटा पूण तेंनी जायते फावटी फिशरीक एप्रोच केल्ले की फ्रीजर दिवपाक ते नुस्तें मागीर ते थिंगा सोडून वयता
We provide storage facilities, but I don't know which section of fishermen are deprived of the facilities. If they have any grievances, they can approach me directly, Office of Minister Fisheries. Yeah, after taking over the fisheries portfolio and ministry, I was informed that there is a conflict between the traditional fishing activities and the mechanized. And yesterday I have received a message or a complaint from the traditional fishermen that the trawling has been taking place in the sea near Kakra or Zuari River. So accordingly I have given instruction to my fisheries department and they have sent a patrol boat. By that time we have managed to at least note or book one trawler. And we have attached that and we have taken Panchanama or report of that. So I will take necessary action so that it should not clash. But there has to be proper regulatory system. They cannot enter into the shallow water or river. So I will discuss by tomorrow with the heads of my fisheries department as well as the Coast Guard also, because sometimes beyond that we ask Coast Guard to monitor. But I am aware that there is a fishing in non-prohibited area for the mechanized fishing trawlers.